Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a new way of making money online with absolutely no money at all, and we will talk about NFTs. So what is an NFT? It's a non-fungible token. It basically is a digital asset that represents real-world objects such as art, music, in-game items and videos, and they're bought and sold online in cryptocurrencies. So usually the transaction is done in Ethereum, and we know that Ethereum can have really high gas fees. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of people, they do not want to enter this NFT game, even though it is really profitable right now. It's a hot product right now. So if you can enter the game, why not? Let's profit from it, right? So I'll show you a way of creating some digital arts with no previous experience at all. It's extremely easy, and I will also show you a platform that you can use where you'll be able to sell your digital art at no cost at all. So you can only benefit and profit from it. So let's go. Alright, so we'll first go to the platform that we will use to sell our NFTs. So you will search on Google Mintable.app, and this is where you will sell and or buy your NFTs. So what you want to do, you want to sign up. You will see there's going to be a sign up button here. Just click there, sign up to the website, and then once you sign up, it will ask you to connect to your MetaMask wallets. So this is MetaMask. You can, so if you already have a wallet, just connect it to the website. If you do not have a wallet, just create one. You'll be able to do so by just clicking on the MetaMask button over there. And from there, this is the Mintable website that will let you sell your NFTs at no cost. So you have different sections: art, music, videos, collectibles, sports, and utilities. And you can change the price here to Ethereum or USD. So it can be confusing to see the prices in Ethereum for the ones who don't really know what is the value of Ethereum. It is quite high, so let's put it to USD. So you have a clear idea of what is the value of these NFTs. So as you can see, if we go to art, because this is the section we were interested in, you can find anything and everything really. You can find photos, you can find cartoons, images. It's really broad, really, right? You have a lot of different type and style of art. Cartoon here. So I'll show you two ways of creating your digital art. One way consists of just literally copying, pasting, and letting a website create it for you. And another way is using a platform that will let you permit you to create your own art. So if you're good at that, that's a good way of doing something original. So I'll show you both ways. So for the simple and easy way, you will go to a website called thefunky.com, and you have other websites as well that will let you cartoonize a photo. This is what you want. You want to cartoonize a photo. So you will create a photo editor. Start new. I'm going to start new just because I want to show you exactly the process. So you'll go to pixels.com. This is where you can get free photos and videos, and you'll have the rights to use these photos and videos. There's not going to be any copyright issues there. So type whatever you want to use. I'm going to put cats, and yeah, this is the one I already selected. So already like downloaded this cat photo, but you can literally put anything you want. You can put waves. You have some cool waves photos as well. Those are not bad either. So we have our cat anyway. So let's open our image right here. Okay, so we have our cat here, and what you want to do, you want to cartoonize it, or you can put digital art. You can put that option as well. So here you can choose the style of your photo. What do you want this photo to look like? And let's put this one. This looks cool. And here you have it. So from this point, you just need to save the photo. If you want to save the photo, you'll have to upgrade your app, and it's only $50 for the year. So if you want to go ahead, do it. If you want to do it on your phone and maybe screenshot it, and you can crop the photo and use that as well, and that would be free. So try that as well if you want to do it for free. And from there, then you'll go here. Once your MetaMask wallet is connected, you will be able to list your digital arts, and you can set a price. You can put a set price, or you can put it as a bid. So you can request it to be sold at a certain price on a bid system. So here you can see some are extremely expensive, right? And some people are watching it. So it's looking good for a lot of people. So as you can see, this one too is extremely expensive, but the potential is huge. I recommend starting with a fair price. Just because you're starting out and you don't know, start at a fair price and see how it goes. And this is for the easy way. So easy way, you use befunky.com. You have other ones too. You can check other websites, and you want to look for a website that will cartoonize your photos. This is what you want. So you can search on Google. You have multiple other ones. So that's for the easy way. Now we're gonna go to the other way, which will involve some knowledge of how to create an art, and you will use Pixelarts.com. This is completely free, and that's how it's going to look like. So I don't know if you saw on here, you have some photos, some digital arts that are looking like exactly what you can create on Pixel Arts. Let me see if I like this. Let's say you wanna create something like this. Okay, this is gonna be your tool, right? So let's draw. I don't know. Let's draw a bird or something, whatever. So here it is. You can do the eyes here and here. So you just create your art, right? And let's put that here. Small beak. I mean, I'm not concentrating to draw, right? But anyways, here you go. And then you can fill in the colors. Here it is. No, let's use that one, the buckets. And let's put this in yellow, yellow, and we want to put the head in. Oh yeah, okay. So just so you know, this needs to be right. This needs to be completely drawn till the beak here. So it's like a locked area right here, and it's just gonna color this area. So we're gonna undo this, and we're gonna change that. We do not want this. Okay, went back to the pencil tool, but I want to put it in black. And let's just like really enclose this area. Let's close this, and now let's try again. So we'll go back to the bucket and blue, and here we go. And same thing here, I'm gonna just go back to my pencil here in black. Let's put a body. Okay, and then go back here, bucket tool, boom, and the eyes, let's put them in kind of in white. Right here, right here. Okay, so here you have some sort of a drawing anyways, but you can create whatever you want. You get the point. Once it's done, you're just gonna save the drawing, put a title, everything. You can save it on your computer, and this is gonna be your creation, and you will be able to list it on this. And like, honestly, put a fair price. Don't be super greedy at the start. You're just starting out. If you're extremely good, I mean, why not just like set a price that's worth your art? No problem with that. But just if you're starting out, you know, if you want to see some success with your NFTs, selling your NFTs, just be humble and see how it goes. But this is one way of doing it. You have some other ways. You can use OpenSea, but this is gonna involve the high Ethereum gas fees. So this is a very popular website that people are using to buy and sell their NFTs. And you can see the different NFTs that are being sold at the moment. It's the same principle here. You're gonna have to log into your MetaMask wallet in order to buy or sell your NFT arts here as well. But you have a way to sell it with no gas fee, and this one is a little bit more popular, but you'll have the high gas fees. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. I'll try to make more and more videos on a regular basis. And another way of making money online that I use on a regular basis is affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about this, please check the link below. You will receive a free ebook as well with a ton of tips. So check this out. It's completely free, and you can decide if you want to go ahead with a small training if you want to. And again, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.